Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to remove the rear bumper from Jeep Commander. The reason I'm doing it has a couple of cracks. So one crack is right here. There's one more right here. And two of the parking sensors are missing. So I will take it off, fix the cracks, and install new parking sensors, and hopefully they will work. Now to start, you will first have to remove 4 clips. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After you do that, there are 2 screws right here. One is here, and the other guy is on the opposite side right here. And I believe they are T20. Here. Now I will show you how to remove one of these guys. So take like a small flat screw, something similar. At first there's like a black insert inside and a hole where you can poke it, and just pry it up. Once this part goes out, that's how it looks like. And just again pry under the main part and also pull it out. Okay, so for these screws, this is what you will need. And once you have the right tools, they are quite easy to take out. Okay, so once this is done, you will come to the side of the vehicle. You'll have to remove these 2 screws, this one here and this one here, and a couple of these oddly black trim screws. 1 underneath, 2, this is the 3rd one. Now, to be honest, those are very hard to get out, and usually you'll do damage to your bumper, like I did just here. Because basically what you would have to do is put the flat screwdriver here and pry it out, right? But that's quite hard to do, to be honest. So what I do, I just take a scalpel like this and like this here, and I just cut it out, all of them. That's the easiest thing to do, trust me. You can buy those similar ones at any part store like Napa or Part Source, and they cost maybe $5-6 for a set of 10. So don't waste your time, just cut it out and move on. Yeah. So yeah, once you cut it, this is how it will look. Those caps will be missing, and then just take a screwdriver or something and just press it in. Like this. It's gonna just fall down. This. And on those 2 guys here, it's just a Phillips. So get a small screwdriver or something like this. Just have to hold this part off. Now you'll have to do the same thing on the other side as well. Okay. So we also have those black trim screws and 2 Phillips screws. This one's almost out, and one more side. Okay, so once those screws are out, you will have one screw right here. This is the one. This is the one here. You'll have the same thing on the other side. So right here, and you will have two screws here on the right rear side, and two more, those oddly trimmed screws right here. Yeah. So let's take those out and we'll see. Okay, so after you remove those bottom screws, these ones right here, you'll have to go underneath the car. I'll try to show you. There are two clips basically. Okay, you can only see them in the middle of the screen. This is one. There is one more a bit higher there. So you can just use the pliers. It's hard for me to do it while holding the phone. Basically just squeeze it and then it's gonna pop out. Yeah, and I'll have to turn on my light, but that's pretty much it. Just squeeze it here. It's gonna pop out, and that will actually release this part of the bumper. So yes, once you remove those inner clips, I will show them now to you from this side. Those are the clips. This one here and this one here. Basically, I'll show you what you have to do from the inside. You just have to squeeze it here together, so this part can get out of the bumper. Those are the holes here. See, this hole and this hole. And then after you get those things out, you just have to pull the bumper towards yourself. As you see, it has these holes here and here, and the bumper just slides onto them. So just pull it towards yourself. Now I will have to go to do the same on the other side. And this is why we are taking the bumper off, so we can fix it and make it look nice. So I did everything the same on the other side and pulled out that bumper. So again, those are the two holes. You can see those are the two clips that have to go out. This one here and this one here, they are a pain in the ass, to be honest. But the bumper is pretty much down. Now only one thing is left to do. That is to disconnect the parking sensors. Now mine are broken, so you might even have more wires or something different than I do. Okay, so this is the wire for parking sensors, and pretty much it goes here, and this is the switch you need to disconnect. And that's it. The bumper is down. I ended up disconnecting all the parking sensors here in the bumper because it couldn't take this switch apart. So you can either try to take it apart or just disconnect all the parking sensors. Yeah, there's 4 of them, so it's not too bad. Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to remove the rear bumper from Jeep Commander. The reason I'm doing it, it has a couple of cracks. So one crack is right here. There's one more right here. And two of the parking sensors are missing. So I will take it off, fix the cracks, and install new parking sensors, and hopefully they will work. Now to start, you will first have to remove 4 clips. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After you do that, there are 2 screws right here, one is here, and the other guy is on the opposite side right here, and I believe they are T20.